Hi guys, welcome to the short video about some really weird stuff with a video from a screen recorder from Android. So I have this screen recorder since a couple of years. I've moved to a new phone and then they got some updates and so on. I mean, it was always working really good, and since the updates since a half a year, I have huge problems. And the problems are like this, that when I record a video, let's say make a 10 minutes video, some parts are way too fast and some parts are in normal speeds. Some parts are in 2 times the speed. So, and the voice is also then of course the same. It sounds like Mickey Mouse. So I'm going to play that here for you. And the thing is, yeah, I have this, I see this on the local files. When I play it on my phone, it's the same thing. When I upload the same file to the PC and play it there, it's same thing. And when I upload it also to YouTube, which is a Google product, and you think that's one of the most advanced players and everything, so it's still the same. So I'm going to play that now for you.
It's just about the premium subscription. I've made this is I think $3.99 per month.
So you can see that's absolutely weird. And when I proceed with the video, let's say to the middle of the video, then it goes back to normal speed. A little bit to the east, and here we can see them with the storm. And when I would go to the end of the video, same thing again, then it goes back to double speed. It just changes, like there's no interruption, no nothing. It just switches between single speed and double speed. And usually at the beginning and at the end of the video, it's double speed. In the middle, it's usually single speed. So it's weird. And I've been trying a lot. I've been contacting the manufacturer, the programmer or developer of this screen capturing tool. I've been asking them, hey, can you do something? They said, yeah, some other people or a lot of other people, they don't have this problem. We don't understand, we don't see this problem. And I was going crazy. I didn't have another one because there's a premium subscription. I didn't want to pay for another screen capturing tool. So what happened? Just by chance, I uploaded the same video to Google Photos, photos to google.com. And yeah, usually I don't look at these things because I need these things really fast. This video, I want to produce real videos for YouTube or so, and usually I don't pay attention to that. But this time I was playing that on Google Photos, and this is what happens. You can see the thing here is at time like 60 seconds. So that means in double speed it's around 32 seconds. So I'm going here to around this time 32 seconds, and it's exactly same video. And when I play it, you can listen that close to $50 per year. You would expect that. And also when I go to the middle part of this video, where it will same thing. And when I go to the end, where when I play it on YouTube, where it's again double speed, it's same thing. It's good. So not a big problem. So there must be some coding. So so actually the video file is not totally corrupted. There must be some indication for a player which tells the player in how much speed it has been recording, something like that. I'm not a pro, but this is just my basic understanding, and it would be really interesting to learn from you if you have already experienced same problem, maybe also with a screen capturing tool on Android, maybe iOS, and how you have been able to fix that. And maybe you haven't been able to fix that, and this is the perfect solution or the only solution here when we upload these things to Google Photos, photos.google.com, and they have this capability to turn this video into normal speed. And the really good thing is when we download these things, we have this download option here. With this menu we can click on download, and when we download that and then watch it as a local file on the PC, it has normal speed again. So it's somehow corrected, the error is corrected then. So when you move the file just from the Android phone, like one-to-one to the PC, then it still has the error. So when we go and upload it to Google Photos and then download it from there, the error is corrected. That's absolutely awesome. That's super weird. That's something which I was sure that something like this is not around. It's not going to happen, but it's there. Maybe somebody can explain. Maybe I've been able to help some people. Yeah, it would be really interesting to learn from you whatever you know about this topic. And anyway, I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. And whatever you have to say about this, please write everything down into the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.